We got Priyanka.
No.
Yeah, this is their name. Okay, bye. See you later. You don't know how to drive, right?
Men try, men måste driva.
We had a borderline and a catcher here. CI is right there. We're going to CI new scheme. So I'll school over there. Farm fresh food. No, but this is not covered, right?
You can go over the bridge though.
Sarah no.
Yeah, well, after the minute, we're free.
Yeah, we know the road, buddy.
You pass with my house. You want to see?
Yeah, go straight on.
No, we know the way from a mile from Redmond House.
Take a right.
Right.
Yeah, you gotta pass the straight there.
Yeah, no, you gotta take a left from now.
Right it?
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Take a left.
this is CI new scheme. Yeah, I see. on there.
I think I right when you see the yellow house there. Yeah, I think I right too. Yeah, right here.
Yeah, listen up.
Aquí kami yellow house.
I can't remember.
Look how nice that person doing it.
That wasn't the case last night.
No. Sa you video si Vicky.
You sure we went right there, right?
We are go by Shirang, Irang.
You all see that probably.
Yeah, there's some there and there, bhai.
You all see that yellow house there, yeah. After the yellow house.
Coconut. Yeah, you gotta make it right.
We are in the yellow house.
Right here, right?
Yeah. Right there, right there. That's in the yellow house, yeah. See right there, right? Really, really, really. Straight.
No, you got that wrong. You got that wrong. You gotta go wrong with that one. Yeah. House is right here.
Yes.
Yeah. You driving truck over now? Yeah, here.
There is Gorma
Alright guys, so that's it for this ride. Got some. Check this out here guys. Side catfish curry with Saijan. And green mango, of course. So you better walk by?
To pick up some material and
Oh.
go back there again just now.
Walk it.
I already walked anything. I prepare some other thing there for.
Okay.
She wears big slippers.
Okay guys, so I got these 3 young ladies here gonna give me a tour of the yard. We got Priyanka,
No,
Yashika, Priyanka, and Danica. So they're gonna give me a tour of the yard. Come on, you go, ladies. So you gotta tell me what the yard, what kind of tree and stuff. What is this, time?
And this is a mint tree. This is a flower tree.
What kind of tree is this?
Mint tree.
Mint? Tulsi.
Yeah, Tulsi.
Tulsi, see?
This one here is a flower plant.
This one?
Yeah, flower plant.
What kind of plant?
Our flower plant.
Flower plant. This, what kind of flower is this?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus, you see? It's getting bright.
And this is a pomegranate tree.
This is a pomegranate?
No, that tree. That tree.
This one here?
Yeah.
Okay. Small, you gotta grow big before you can bear.
The stems are sharp.
Okay.
It is what the.
And this one is what? Hibiscus too?
And this, yeah. Our tree, this is hibiscus.
Yeah. What is your neighbor one? Is that for you? Hey, what the dog? The dog. Let me go around this side.
The dog. You have more trees back
Dog
there.
there, two sides.
You have more trees back there.
Huh?
You have more trees back there.
A more tree? Yeah, you got a coconut tree there, thing.
Yeah.
I was there.
And we have okra tree.
Okra tree. This is the okra tree.
Yeah, this is the okra tree. And we have coconut here. Coconut
Yeah,
here.
coconut there. Okay.
And there's more trees back there.
What kind of tree are those?
That is.
No. Yeah, you're grand. This one is a mango.
No, that's not a tree.
This is like a mango. This is a mango.
No, that one is mango. It has little green mangoes.
Yeah, I have green mangoes on it. Yeah. So this is a small mango tree.
I don't know what kind of trees though.
Ask your
Oh,
father.
but that's grandma. That's from grandma.
Pongrama?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay. He said it's Pongrama.
I'm not sure.
A big truck. A big truck.
Oh wait, and this kind of coconut tree growing there.
Oh yeah, and you got a coconut tree here. I got some breadfruit over there too. A neighbor contributing to the
Yeah.
right?
Breadfruit.
Hey,
But I want more trees.
which one? Oh yeah, what is that?
I don't know what kind of trees though. I can't really balance. Come up here.
Yeah. I don't know myself.
Oh wait.
I gotta ask your father.
That's me.
Huh? What kind of tree, little tree that way? Spear. Oh, so this one is spear. What? And the tall one is the tall tree is pong grabber. South up. Oh, the tall one is south up. Yeah. So that was the yard tour.
Guava tree. Guava tree.
Guava tree over there. So that was the yard tour with Yashika, Priyanka, and Danica. Okay, thank you, ladies. Thanks for the tour. Right?
Again, out to the road there.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Oh, but that's the aloe vera.
Okay. All right. Hmm?
This is aloe vera plant.
Oh, an aloe vera. Yes, Priyanka. Good. Thank you guys for the tour.
Remember the daddy? The daddy was the she, but how they wrap the gift? She named.
So check out the size of this papaya here. Huge. Check out this papaya here, guys. Piece of the papaya. That papaya was huge. Don't think I ever saw one that big.